Okay, today I'm going to put the LED light strip on my motorhome. I bought this from Amazon for 24 plus tax. And it's like about, let's see how many feet, 65 feet. So let's try to, oh, got 2 rows, 2 sides. So let's try one side, see how long along the wall can it go. On the passenger side, in the front, this is the closest outlet that I can find. So what I did, I put the controller right there, 2-sided tape. Okay, I already finished it. I ran along the wall, right here, once, right here, and the other side I ran to here, and then you can cut it. Apparently you can cut it and connect it. So the other line is in like right here, and then I cut it, and then I connect it with the connector provided in the box. See the screen right here? Let's cut it right there and connect it. So let's wait until nighttime and see how it looks. And for the controller, this is go by the music, the beats and stuff like that. And the timer, 1 hour, 2 hour shut off. And this is the flashes quick, all the function in here. Or you can turn one color only.